Think you're living a healthy lifestyle? You might be making these 5 common mistakes without even realizing it. But don't worry, I've got simple fixes for each one. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Skipping breakfast or eating the wrong foods. Are you one of those people who skips breakfast or grabs a sugary cereal bar on the go? Well, you're not alone. But here's the problem. Skipping breakfast can leave you feeling tired and hungry later in the day. And those high-sugar options? They just lead to energy crashes. The fix? Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Eggs, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with nuts and seeds will keep you full and energized for hours. Mistake 2. Not drinking enough water. Ever feel sluggish, get random headaches, or have dry skin? You might not be drinking enough water. Most people wait until they're thirsty, but by then, you're already dehydrated. Here's what you can do. Keep a water bottle with you at all times. Set reminders on your phone and aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And if plain water is boring, try adding lemon, mint, or berries for a refreshing twist. Mistake 3. Overeating healthy snacks. Not all healthy snacks are actually healthy. Granola bars, flavored yogurts, and fruit juices may seem like great choices, but they often contain hidden sugars and processed ingredients. Instead, go for real, whole foods. A handful of nuts, Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, or some veggie sticks with hummus are much better options. Mistake 4. Sitting too much without breaks. If you sit for long hours without moving, you're not just hurting your posture, you're also slowing down your metabolism and blood circulation. The easy fix? Set a reminder to stand up and stretch every 30 to 60 minutes. Take a quick walk, do some light stretching, or even try a standing desk if possible. Your body will thank you. Mistake 5. Not getting enough sleep. Let's be real, how many of us scroll on our phones late at night, promising ourselves just one more video? Lack of sleep affects your focus, mood, and even your metabolism. Here's the fix: prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before bed, dim the lights, and create a relaxing routine, whether it's reading, meditating, or sipping herbal tea. So, how many of these mistakes are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more simple health tips. See you in the next one.